Good morning, guys. Today is Indy's christening. Good morning, Isla. Good morning, Suzy. Yan. Nagpifix na sila ng hair. Prepare tayo, guys. Alos on the side. Prepare tayo, guys, para sa seminar. May seminar ngayon. At ako ang godmother. Fairy godmother ni Indy. I'm gonna be the godmother. So I'm gonna be doing a seminar.
What does that mean? Then what would I be?
Yeah, it's the stuff.
Fairy system.
Makeup
So
na
what
tayo.
are your teacher, Rich?
I am the godmother.
So you're a stepmother?
Stepmother, yeah.
Your godfather.
You can call me
is
that.
Tito Mark, Tito Merwin, Tito Marlon. Oh my gosh, I put too much.
Kana sa ni magbutang.
What did you
Wait,
do?
look ba?
What did you do?
God, I can't see.
Hello?
Kailangan natin ng mirror.
Nasaan na yung blush?
Kaaway ko talaga sa gilid ko. Hi, Ayla. Ayla, so pretty.
You look so pretty, Mala.
Oh,
You look so good with your willy hanging out.
Uy, di ba kung ba mo edit na mo hang tintin diha. Garaan ni mo doon.
You look so pretty. I love your hair, baby. That's it. Just slipping and then mag-ano na ako. Straight.
Mama, why did you put it on donut?
Yeah, just nose
Just
shape.
go. It's not on the forehead out there.
Mama's perfume. Ano coffee? Ah, this smells good. You want this? Yeah.
Guys, today pala is wala kaming kuryente.
Ala!
Very early in the morning, wala kaming kuryente. So ngayon, ang ingay-ingay ng generator, guys. Tapos dito kami nakatambay. Natural light. Guys, we're gonna go! Kami muna mauuna. Let's go! Kasama sana namin si, Ekang. Pero papunta pa dito na traffic.
Last thing yan, itong dalawa walang seminar ngayon. Kailangan na daw talaga. So, seminar tayo alas 9. Binyag alas 10.
Boy, ikaw, pogi boy!
Asa man sa main church ra gyud eh? You ready for the seminar, guys?
Sorry, ikaw.
Kaya
Si...
Okay.
Antay kami dito para sa seminar.
She has to work.
Yeah, she has to. Ready for the class, guys? Gonna?
Not a class.
Yeah, this is a class.
And if you fail,
Yeah. You stay here if you fail.
We have a village before, no? Adam and Eve, no? So, Adam and Eve was the commit sin, no?
Yeah.
So that's why we have the baptized to take it out the original sin,
Yeah.
no? So we have to baptize so that the
Tapos na yung seminar, guys. Ayun si ate sa baba. Nag-fill out ng mga forms. It was 45 minutes na seminar.
yeah, that's not the one that followed you.
After nito, baptism na ni Indy. But si Indy nasa pa sa bahay. Tutulog ka.
Where? You're the best boy.
Oh, there's no
Singutan na ako eh. Nagda na kay t-shirt na che.
Ay, wait, nakoy ka ng palaban. So pretty mo na mo, Indy man! Yay!
Ay, imo rin Thank you ng palabad.
Happy baptism!
Nakita pa to si Wiwin ba?
Magbunyag na. Baptism na.
Pato na ko na eh.
Yay! Wala si mama, nag-change na ng outfit.
Sakit para ba ito sapato?
Sige lang, ilis na after. Hello! Hala! Hala si ano man ni 3D! 3D! Start na. Andito na si Father. Baptism. Si Indy, galak ka rin. Tara ah. Yung kamot na. Yung kamot na. Babunyag ni mo, day. Bunyag ni mo, girl. Nakadala pa ng sting. Kana, we're ready to go. Let's go. You're ready.
Ako na sa latong ilong ang nila no. Attorney, kinala na mo to. I can see you far and
Brothers and
wide
sisters in Christ, we
across the ocean,
celebrate the
above
sacrament
the
of
cloud,
each one.
in your presence.
Sa ngalan sa mahal, sa anak sa Espiritu Santo, to the parents, sa ilalim ng Diyos, sa ilalim ng iyong banal.
Here right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong. I can feel you in the sunlight and through the cold nights. When I close my eyes, I am walking. Oh Lord,
Tapos na yung ating christening, guys, or baptism. Ayan. Picture taking.
so
Kawantay. Oh. Very good.
there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last.
Yeah, Arlo doesn't like kisses. Ay! Hoy, no slapping ha. Just gentle. Mwah! Eee! Yucky lagi daw. Ayaw ni Arlo magpa-kiss. Mwah! Careful, careful, careful.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to the nation, baby Andy! Yay! Namin tayo, chikbo na matong si baby Andy at Iman. Wow! Okay, so since ipang-bubong naman ang tanan, so wala pa kita sa ako ang program. Mga unsa ta, mga
So, I'll say yung tawag assemble.
Assemble.
Assemble. After you assemble, you turn around at the last player and stop here and you will fix your pyramid.
6.
And come with the next player. After that,
Kasi sila.
this will
Gamay.
first player will give to the next player and so on until the last player, okay?
So how about try?
Okay, kayo saan ka? Hindi ni Selby ang audio ha. Okay, wala lang isa na ang Jay. Ay, tanay si Mama Ed. Okay. Okay, so before naman proceed sa ato ang second game, nasa may pa-twist ninyo para ma-active mo. Pahilis sa inyong mga gipangkaon. Wow, okay. Ati mo yan. 4, 4, 6, 8, 8. Wala lagi ko sa Marian yang Sunday, okay? Karo nga sila pastada Ati Marian di, karo nga sila pastada Ati Marian.
Ako iba ni chicken. So, ito may texture na chicken. Ano na siya? Sunod ang spaghetti.
Agoy tayo din nakita, limok kita na ang mga Ati Marian, diri na ito makita. O kinsa yung hugot o lawas. Okay, so... O kinsa yung pinakalindot mo giling-giling. Naagya po tayo prize, Ati Marian.
Okay, so ang sunod ay chill lang siya, burger. So, yan lang siya. So, wala chicken, spaghetti, and burger. Okay. So, ready na
cute!
Bless, 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 bless. Bless, baby auntie. All right, Jollibee and Curly. Do you have your wishes? How many wishes? All right, everyone, let's count kuno. Let's count ha. Duman tatanan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pala tayo sa Metro Gaisano, guys. Namimili tayo ng mga pasalubong. Ay! Okay. Ng mga, hindi pasalubong. Namili tayo ng mga pang-gift. Not in the mood si Inday. So guys, andito na pala tayo sa bahay. My God, it's been a long day. Pumunta pa tayo sa Gaisano Metro, tapos pumunta pa tayo sa Gaisano Grand. Tinatawag na ako. So anyway, ngayon guys is kakain na tayo. Nagtatawag na sila. Meron kami Master Siomai na sobrang namimiss kong kainin. My God, Japanese na. Ano ba? Yung Japanese siomai. Kainin natin. Let's go. The Master Siomai! Ay! Kalami, uy. Hindi kamingaw ko sa Japanese siomai. Naka na. Oh, this one.
Lahit naman, puro may
Paborito.
Japanese yung mic sa una, no?
Mas gamay na doon. Yawan, sagto eh. Tapos meron tayong mangga. Alam niyo ba, hindi pa ako nakakain ng mangga dito sa Pilipinas since dumating tayo. So, kain. So, ano to? Sarganite? Shark's fin?
Yeah, sure.
Shark's fin, tapos Japanese, tapos ito is pork and shrimp. Kain tayo.
Five.
Good, ang sarap. Let's eat, guys! Hello!
Ikaw pa.
Ito siomai eh. Pero wala sila.
Tapos ka siya.
chicken. At least makain sila sa akin. Shark's fin. Lamit mo chicken.
Sabi niyo naman. Hindi mo nasubuan magabot eh. Ako nagagana. Hungry.
Ano?
Basta
Ang
nakakausip
shark's
sa
fin
sauce.
kay... Hindi kayo na kubet. Shark's.
Ang susan kayo na may chili oil.
Okay man.
Gusto mo yun siguro.
Mas damihan ka gusto ko ba?
Ang breast milk, ang isa kaya pa.
Sa breast na ikuha. Dala Mark.